this Valentine's Day, lovers of Caribbean cuisine can partake in the passion for their favorite ethnic food during a unique virtual summit. And our Damian Sogren has the details on this new event experience.
Calling all fans of Caribbean food, a gathering of international Caribbean culinary experts is coming soon. Founder Angela Lawrence sat down recently to share more on the inaugural edition of the Caribbean Food Lovers Summit.
Well, the motivation for the summit is absolutely about creating connection and community, especially during this time of the pandemic where a lot of people are feeling isolated, isolated from their loved ones. And me personally, I haven't spent much time with my family because we're all trying to do our best to be safe. And so I thought, why not create an opportunity for people to feel like they're part of a community of people who love what they love, which is Caribbean food.
The event, dubbed a virtual vacation, is open to all Caribbean food lovers across the globe, regardless of background or geographic location, and features an all-star lineup of Caribbean cuisine professionals.
You're going to get an amazing day of conversations with experts. All of the people who are featured in the summit, all the speakers are also cookbook authors, and so they know Caribbean food, they know Caribbean culture, and they're all diverse. From different islands, we have people who are from, the Virgin Islands, Barbados, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and they're going to be talking about what they love, which is Caribbean food, and they're going to be sharing their experiences and all of their tips and secrets.
In addition to spearheading this summit, Angela also is the mastermind behind popular website Cook Like a Jamaican.
Cook Like a Jamaican started as a way for me to document my mother's recipes for our family. And basically it is about my mother teaching me how to cook Jamaican, like to cook traditional Jamaican dishes. And so we share all of our family recipes on our website. We also share it on our YouTube channel. And we also recently launched the Legacy Cooking Club for those who want to interact with us live and do live cooking classes with us, as well as have access to all of our family recipes, including the secret ones that we only share with those most interested and most special, who really want to dive into Jamaican cooking.
Angela has some major ambitions for this summit and its impact on the global community.
I see this summit as being something that's just the beginning of creating this worldwide community. Like, I want to create a movement around Caribbean food and culture. I think a lot of people don't know a lot about Caribbean food. Like, they may know about jerk chicken, they may know about roti, curry, but they don't know that there is so much more to Caribbean cuisine. And that's what I want to show the world. And I want everyone who is interested and loves this cuisine to be connected.
For further information and to register for the Caribbean Food Lovers Summit on Valentine's Day, February 14th, please visit CaribbeanFoodLoversSummit.com. And to find out more about Cook Like a Jamaican, log on to CookLikeAJamaican.com. This has been Damian Sogren for One Caribbean Television.